Let me show you how to add funny sound like this or this to your video. But before, hit on the plus and follow, like and share to your friends. So when you get to your home screen like this, come home here, down here, tap on home. Then you go to the search icon, then you type funny memes. Funny memes. Okay, so you search for it. You see, we have a lot of videos there. So let's choose this one. So assuming this one is what you want, then you hold it, then you tap on download. So you need to download the video first. So let's download second video. Okay, this is another popular sound. Okay, so you hold like this, then you hit on the download, then it will download. Okay, now follow the step. Though the video is long but take time. You tap on this plus, then you upload the video you want to do. This is the video. So I've created one video, then I tap on it. Let's listen to it.
Junior, is Daddy home? Hey! Oh, nothing. You want him to kill me?
Alright. So let's tap on the edit icon. So right from the edit, manage to get the correct space you want the sound to fit. So let's hit on it and play.
Junior, is Daddy home? Hey!
So from here, from the A, then I come to overlay. Then I tap on overlay, then I choose the sound. This is another sound we downloaded. Then I confirm it. This is it. So right now, I'll tap on it and drag it and hide that overlay. Good. So now we are going to cut the overlay according to how we want it. So I want it to end here. How? Good. Then I tap on split. Then I delete this part. So this is it. Let's see the video.
Junior, is Daddy home? Hey!
You see? That is it. So right now I'm going to add the last one. The last one I can manage to put it last part. Then I tap on this plus. Then I choose this is the video. Then I choose it. Let's confirm and see how it will work.
Nothing. You want him to kill me? Asia.
You see? Yeah, so it's simple. The video is long, but manage it. Don't forget to hit on the plus and follow for more tips like this. Bye.